Good day, everyone. This is Forex in Life. Today, I quickly want to show us another beautiful indicator and how to work with this strategy. Now, this strategy is very simple, as you can see, and I'm making sure that it's not as complicated as all other strategies I've been giving to you. Now, this strategy, as it is, has provided few trades and I'm still running some at the moment. So now it's a very good strategy that it can help you in your trading system once you follow the basic rule. All right, this strategy, I'm going to show you the settings, but how does it work? Let's picture it out. Can you see the knots here? The knots here are the moving average. This is about to tighten up and change direction. So immediately it tightens up and changes direction. Our second confirmation is this here. I haven't done that. You can now enter the trade and trail it to whichever side it moves. So if I enter this trade from here, from this point above zero level, see how much I would have earned. And look at here as well, as it's tightening up here and tries to lose around here. If I enter this trade after this clarity, because this is a range zone now, I may not be able to pick much, but I'll be anticipating a change in direction. Now, if I enter this trade here, this is a good sell trade. Can you see how many pips I'm picking? Now, this strategy is useful for all time frame. Let's go to 1 minute. As you can see what the market is doing. It's trying to tie the knot back to the upside. So this trade now, if I pick up a buy trade and see this is a double bottom and a divergence to the upside. So if I take this trade now, I'll be making huge profit. Now, as you can see, I can all equally be waiting for the cross. Once it's crossed, yeah, then boom, I can enter my trade. My awesome oscillator already giving me a clear signal to buy. But this is a 1 minute time frame. Let's quickly go back. As you can see here, as it crosses to this place and take my sell trade here, my awesome oscillator is also below zero. Boom, I take my sell trade. If I want to buy as well, this is a few pullbacks to the upside. As it crosses here, boom, I take my trade. My stop loss might be here, but if I take the 2 times, as you can see, this is a possible and quality trade. But before I take this trade, I'll be mindful of my divergence. Yeah, as the market is making higher highs, then the awesome oscillator is making a lower low, which tells me that the momentum may not stay for long. And as you can see, at equals levels here, market also changes. So what am I trying to say in essence is that this very strategy is very useful. Now let me go ahead and move to 15-minute time frame. As you can see how awesome it is. Now see this cross here. As the market crosses around this point, I take my trade, boom, and that's it. I ride it all the way to this place. As it breaks here, take my trade to the downside. Now As you can see, this is a range market in 15 minutes, but nevertheless, you can still take the higher highs and the lower lows. Just make sure you target your previous low or previous highs. Now, this is the trade, as you can see. In fact, this is so perfect. As the MACD, sorry, not the MACD, awesome oscillator, as it crosses below zero here, and it already opened up for a sell trade. If I take my trades around here, see how hard I would have put up. Now, I'm just trying to show you how easy this trade can be. This strategy also can be for beginners. Let's see for 1 hour. As you can see these trades. If I should pick this sell from here after the zero, I'm going to pick two times of my risk around here. And you can see, boom, voila, it's entered. So once the MACD crosses, sorry, once the awesome oscillator crosses below zero, that's when I use this. Pardon me for you saying MACD. This awesome oscillator is also the brother or the sister or a relative of MACD. This one is calculated in SMA, while MACD has other calculations like the SMA, the EMA is combined together. So this strategy is very awesome. You can see as I'm scrolling back, you can see how profitable it is also in 1 hour. Now, let's go to 4 hours in case you are a swing trader. Let's check it out. Voila. As it crosses here, your awesome oscillator crosses below zero and you take the trade. See how long you would have pulled the trade all the way down and crosses here. As it crosses here and you take the trade after 0 point, see how high you could have taken the trade before it crosses back again. Now, what is the strategy? Not to waste much of our time, you can see that for scalping, daily, and swing trade, this very strategy is very, very important. So, let's check it out. I'm going to give you the settings now, and I believe you will enjoy the settings. So, let's go to the settings. Press the F icon, then voila, this is the settings for it. On the first indicator, we have the period 20 shift minus 3 exponential, and I'm applying it to weighted close. And as you can see, the color. Then as well, for the second one, this is the 13 smooth, and this is also weighted close, and I'm using the color of my choice here. Then my awesome oscillator is also as it is, no increase or deduction from it. So this is just the simple settings for now, but I'll prefer to trade on 5 minutes. Why? Because I'm a day trader. So, and as you can see, I already have so many entries here running in as regards to these, trades. Now, this is the strategy, and this is what I need to offer. If you have any question, just connect me through the Telegram channel in the link description below. And also, if you need my double mark this strategy, now this is just a brief one. I've been able to improve on it so that you can have more winning rates. It's 99% profit, no doubt about that. So if you're interested, DM me. Not a free strategy anyway, but now I'm giving you one so that you can enjoy. So I hope this helps. See you guys later. Thank you.